We are tracking a major storm system specifically on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week across the eastern two-thirds of the country. This has multiple threats, so let's go over each one bit by bit. Starting off, a blizzard will impact parts of Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota, dumping up to 2 feet of snow. Then on Tuesday, a potential tornado outbreak is looking more likely for Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. And the severe weather could push into the Great Lakes region on Wednesday, with the Storm Prediction Center issuing a 15% chance of severe thunderstorms, even into Michigan. So another massive tornado outbreak possible, another blizzard. Haven't we seen this one before?